Hey, it's Mike with DirtKiller.com. Let's kill some dirt. Today, we're going to take a look at wet staining a deck, meaning we're going to be staining a deck with that is wet, right? We just cleaned it off and then went ahead and applied the Deck Restoration Plus stain. You can't do this with a lot of stains, but Deck Restoration Plus is awesome. Now, very specifically, as you can see in this video, Wagner is doing a very bad technique, right? I mean, he's dipping it in and he's dragging it and it's dripping. Oh my God, if you've ever done staining, that is just a horrible nightmare to have to deal with, but not with Deck Restoration Plus. That's what's so cool. Also watch, see how he's only going halfway over the deck? So that way, when he goes around later, he's got, wet wood and then stain that's already starting to dry. And as you can see, it blends very nicely, right? With other stains, you wind up with a double coat. Now you got to try to even it out, pain in the butt, but not here. With Deck Restoration Plus, Wagner is basically using a Swifter to apply the stain, and look at it. That looks great. And after the second coat and after it dried, look at this. That's just a really nice, even coat. So what we wanted to point out was just that Deck Restoration Plus stain is awesome for professionals, but even if you've got bad technique, you're still gonna wind up with a beautiful looking deck. And mind you, you can also use Deck Restoration Plus stain for decks, fences, anything wood. If you wanna learn more, feel free to give us a call. Leave a comment below. We'll be sure to answer as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. My name's Mike. Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.
Dirt Killer. Let's kill some dirt.